This is what I thought today, as I'm laying looking up. The thoughts of my past swim deep with the sharks that wait for me. Armies of truth, where have you gone? The words wanted on their heads, lies pay quick to shut you up. Quietness till death you part. The beast runs wild through this town, where I live has fallen down. The preacher's drunk and have long gone. We are trapped in a box. Am I the only one trying to figure a way out, to find my way out? Nature regulate. Is there a call center for choice, for decisions being made? Because I have no say on the way things run today. And the cat is fat with breath of hell, and the children, they don't listen well. All blinkered, dead and blind. Are we running out of time? Mother hung over from drink, throws herself down the sink. Watch it all go down slow, again and again and again and again. Am I the only one trying to figure a way out, to find my way out? Nature regulate. And all emotions are diseased, worn down like rotted teeth. I run 100 miles an hour to try and get free, but to stained dollars we obey, ease the military away. What happened to making the most of it? Of one life, one roll of the dice is all you get, is all you get. Is all you get. Capitol's breaking down. The king once more is dead. And where are the animals? Building a plan, I hope. Building a plan, I hope. Building a plan, I hope. deceased, worn down like rotted teeth. I run 100 miles an hour to try and get